YouTube, this is Faith again, and I am here with an unboxing. Today is Eid al-Fitr, so to anyone who is celebrating Eid today, I wish you a happy, joyous, and blessed Eid. So glad that we don't have to fast anymore, but Ramadan is always a time of reflection, so it's always a little bit bittersweet to see Ramadan end. But in that regard, Eid brings about gift giving. And today I am going to unbox a gift to myself. So I'm going to give you some clues as to what I got myself. It is, of course, a handbag or a purse. And it's a designer item. It's a luxury item. It's the second one I've ever bought myself. So I'm really excited to open it. It just arrived literally like 10 minutes ago. So I wanted to unbox it and share it with all of you. So here we go. First off, you see that it is Louis Vuitton. Yes, it is my second Louis Vuitton bag, and I am totally psyched and excited about it. Here is the box that it came in, and here's the little ad that came with it. So now I'm gonna toss that. Yay! So now I'm going to unbox it. So let's take off the ribbon. Yay. All right, I'm gonna take it out the box now. So here's a lock, and this right here should be a clue as to what bag I got for myself. And in case you haven't figured it out yet, here is the actual bag. Yes! I have to say, this dust bag is huge for this particular bag. But that's not a big deal. What is a big deal is that I finally got this Speedy. Yes! I got a Speedy 30 Damier, a Ben. I am so excited about this bag. I finally have it. It is amazing. Yes. This is incredible and awesome and the best gift I've given myself for Eid ever. So here it is. It's freaking awesome. Here's the lock. Yay! Zippers. This is what the inside looks like. Oh my god. Oh. It's another little bag. Oh, what's in here? Oh, keys. Yay! Those are the keys. And let's try what this is. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, this isn't even like... Wow. Well, thank you, Louis Vuitton. They gave me perfume. Complimentary perfume. I will have to try that and let you guys know how it smells and whether I like it, but wow, that's really awesome. Yay. So yeah, this is the inside pocket. Yay. And it's the inside of it. It's all canvas. So, oh my god. Yes, I'm so excited. I finally have one of the classic Louis Vuitton bags. This Speedy 30 Bandolier. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not sure. I'm too excited and too happy to really even care. I will put the straps together and I will take this bag to work with me tomorrow because I'm so excited to carry it. So this is one of the bags that I finally got off my wish list. I have tons more, but for now I'm just going to enjoy this baby. She is beautiful, gorgeous. We're gonna have some good times together. So thank you for watching this unboxing. I hope you have a great weekend. To all my Muslim brothers and sisters, I hope you have an awesome Eid. And there you go. Bye-bye.